got this, boys.
Yep, let's focus. Let's do it, boys.
Let's wreck them.
It's the playoffs, baby.
Maybe we fell short at the very end, right? But it doesn't take away from our hard work and the fact that you guys played a hell of a season.
Nice. Good job, guys.
100% Urgot win rate.
Yeah, they banned Urgot next game.
Yeah.
Look at their face when we ban Urgot.
Why?
Because I want to see if they're surprised or something, you know?
Oh no! Oh my god, it happened.
Sorry. It's fine. It's only 50 gold.
See, when you say that, it's worse.
And you know, 100 for
okay.
the item. I don't know how to say.
For item. Okay, this cap. That's cap.
Rababon, this cap.
Rabadon's cap. That's cap.
Rababon. They're gonna get Tantra if this win.
Later. Oh.
Oh, our doubles almost up,
That was scary.
I got snared.
Okay.
I started.
Okay.
Oh, fuck.
Nice. We got a first goal.
I love you! I pretty love you.
I'm gonna try to janky
my
ward.
god, why are you here?
It's ultimate. You're good, Cal.
Help me!
Baron.
You got this, Cal. You got this.
Baron.
I got you!
It's Baron. Got a Baron. It's Baron.
W.
Alright, you just need to get the hell out of there.
No! I'm blocking!
Run, Cup!
Cup, yo, turn.
No.
Cup, turn.
He'll never kill him.
I'm turning.
He'll never kill him.
No, I'm running. Oh my god, are you joking?
Get him!
We got this, boys. Just reset. Even if we lose, we still can win.
No, of course.
Don't give up. Don't.
Every game is a new game.
Yeah.
It's just the best of 5 series.
Okay, nice. I'm actually coming as well.
I got it. Good job.
Nice.
Do you have shield?
Nice.
Good job.
Okay, flash. I can take it.
I got him.
Nice time.
Nice. Good.
Plenty of nice and the classic rabbit-abba-ding-dong death cap.
Rabbit Doodles, whatever, doesn't matter anymore.